Becky Struppi from Glue and Glitter, and today we are going to make a super easy homemade sports drink. This recipe only has 2 ingredients. It takes about a minute to make, and it is delicious over ice or chilled straight out of the fridge. So you might be wondering why you would want to make your own sports drink in the first place when you can buy perfectly good sports drinks at the store. And I would give you 2 answers to this question. First of all, unlike sports drinks at the store, this drink gets its sweetness from whole fruit, not from added sugar, not from juice, not from artificial sweeteners. The other reason is it is freaking delicious. You're gonna love this drink, even if you are not a sports person. It's just a nice, refreshing drink on a hot day. I think you're gonna love it. So let's quickly talk about time saving, because this recipe is all about strategy if you want it to really take just a couple of minutes to make. If you are starting with a whole watermelon, it's going to take a lot longer. A whole watermelon is certainly cheaper, but when I'm making watermelon drinks, what I like to do is buy prepared watermelon like this. You can find this at the produce section of pretty much any grocery store, and it just makes your life so much easier. It's already peeled and cut, so you don't have to do so much work, and you usually can find smaller amounts. This was like 3 or 4 cups of watermelon pieces when I bought it, which is a lot less than you're gonna get from a whole watermelon. So you're also gonna save on food waste too, because I don't know about your family, but my family of 3 cannot eat a whole watermelon in a week before it starts to go bad. So this recipe only has 2 ingredients, and it is super easy to make. All that you need to do is toss your watermelon cubes into the blender with coconut water, blend, and then serve it over ice or chill it until you're ready to drink. You can make 1 serving at a time. The written recipe is for 1 serving, but you can also multiply the recipe to make 3 or 4 at a time and then just store it in a pitcher in the fridge so you have chilled watermelon coconut water to drink anytime you want. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about this recipe. Let's cut to the overhead and get blending.